Hey everybody, this week I want to combine a couple of things that I've talked about before so you can understand the power of them. One of them is this document here that's on our website. It's a free resource called Should I File a Claim Calculator. Please feel free to go to our website and download it. You can use it for you, your friends, or anybody else that may need it. Basically what the Should I File a Claim Calculator does is help you figure out mathematically whether it's in your best interest to file a claim with your insurance company. Recently I had a conversation with an insurance agent and he told me he was not even aware of what insurance steering was or that it was going on. So just a quick brief review of insurance steering. Insurance steering is when you call an 800 number for the insurance company that you have and they send you to a specific shop to fix your vehicle. That's called insurance steering. Again, as a quick review, it's a federal offense and it's against the law for the insurance company to send you to a specific shop. But I want you to understand how both you as a consumer lose and you as the insurance agent lose in this proposition. The first thing that goes on is that you're not calling anybody that's going to give you an advice. That's why we created the Should I File a Claim Calculator. You're calling an 800 number where people only take claims. So at that point when you call them, they're going to start a claim for you. They're not going to help you figure out whether you should or should not file a claim. So the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to lose options. When you call that 800 number, the only option you have is to file a claim. Now, when you file a claim, then you're going to start a thing on your driving record that's going to do this. You're going to get an increase in your rates because you filed a claim. This past week we had a lady that was very upset because she filed a claim at the 800 number and her agent was never involved. The insurance company's done this on purpose because they want you to file this claim. The lady had about $600 worth of damage with a $500 deductible. So the insurance company's going to pay $100 and raise her insurance premiums. If she would have just paid for that repair out of her pocket, she would have not had a price increase, and so over the next 3 years, 4 years, whatever they're going to do to raise her rates, she would have spent less money on her insurance and less money to repair her vehicle because she'd have paid the whole thing out of her pocket. The other thing that happens is your agent has been taken out of this on purpose because they don't want you to have options. They want you to go to a shop that they're sending you to because the insurance company is now getting a price discount from that shop. And when they get a price discount, you're not getting quality. You're getting a repair that's done for a lower price, not a price that should be fair in the marketplace, so you get a quality repair. So you can see whether you're the agent in this deal or whether you're somebody that's insured with an insurance company. When you don't figure out whether you should file a claim up front and you go directly to what the insurance company wants you to do, call their 800 number to file the claim, you lose your options. You're going to get a repair that doesn't have quality, but it's based on price. So that's not a good thing for you in the event of safety. And the last thing is, ultimately, you're going to pay more money. And here's a little something to keep in mind. When you call this 800 number and they have you file a claim and don't help you with any other options, what's the insurance company doing at the end of the day? They're making more money because they just raised your insurance, but they didn't help you figure out whether you should have filed a claim at all. So one of the reasons why we've done our Should I File a Claim Calculator is to help you figure out long before you file a claim, should you or shouldn't you file a claim. A great thing to do too is take advantage of our on-site estimates, which are free anywhere you happen to be, home or work, and we can give you an estimate to help you figure out should you file a claim or not. Again, as always, if you have any questions or you need additional help, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thanks and have a safe week.